What's up, gang? Make sure to watch to the end to get a free recipe.
Back on deck on my fly shit. Really on my shit. Pay some respect to my mindset. Head blowing smoke, catch a contact. Niggas feel that they can't stop us. Back on the scene, unconscious. Always been me, yeah, I'm poppin'. I ain't really here for the gossip, nah. Blah, 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 yeah, I'm hot, bitch. Try to play me, but you tried it. Way too wavy, gotta ride it. Pull up on you, make a eye. Neck on wrist on shaman. Tell them say less, no comment. And we only here for the comment.
Why should you even detox? It boosts your immunity, it reduces hunger and cravings, and it shrinks fat cells as you eliminate toxins. Here's 9 ways to naturally detox your body. More than 90% of alcohol is metabolized in your liver, so cutting out liquor will filter waste and other toxins from your body. Sleeping allows your brain to reorganize and recharge itself, as well as remove toxic waste that accumulates throughout the day. 7 to 9 hours regularly to promote good health. Drink more water. This regulates your body temperature, lubricates your joints, aids digestion, and detoxifies your body by removing waste. For men, 7 to 8 water bottles a day. For women, about 5 to 6 water bottles. Reduce intake of sugar and processed food. I limit junk, sweets, and liquor by leaving it at the store. Not having it in the house takes away from temptation altogether. Trust me, it really works. Eat antioxidant-rich foods. My fave is pomegranate. So these are things with vitamin A, C, E, things like berries, nuts, spices, coffee, green tea. Eat foods high in probiotics. Gut health is very important for keeping your detoxification system healthy. Things like tomatoes, artichokes, bananas, asparagus, onions, garlic, oats. Decrease salt intake. Too much salt can cause your body to retain excess fluid, which causes bloating. Also, if you increase the intake of potassium-rich foods, it actually counterbalances some of the sodium's effects. So, things like potatoes, squash, kidney beans, bananas, and spinach. Get active. Regular exercise regardless of body weight. And last, eat sulfur-containing foods. Things like onions, broccoli, eggs, garlic, even cilantro. So this is me preparing my mean green juice. So I did the 2-week detox where I gave up caffeine, alcohol, dairy, corn, gluten, refined sugar, shellfish, eggs, soy, white rices, and potatoes. So if you don't know, I am pescatarian, so me giving up shellfish only left me for fish. So I went for like branzino, salmon, snapper. But in the midst of that, I would start my mornings with this juice, as well as a warm glass of water with lemon and ginger. Here's the recipe for my mean green juice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.